For some reason, when you create a new Unity project, it comes with a lot of packages. Let's see if removing those packages will make a difference or not. Once I have the project open, I'm going to head to the package manager and see all the packages that I have in the project. So if you look here, those are the default packages that come with any empty Unity project. I don't use this editor. I usually use just a Visual Studio. I usually use GitHub for version control, and I rarely use Timeline. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of those packages that I don't use, and let's see the difference. So the current size of this project is 95 megabytes, almost 96 megabytes. So let's remove the packages and see if removing them will make a difference. So now we have all the packages removed. Let's see how much space we saved. Now the project size is 56 megabytes, which is almost half of the project by just removing those unused, never used packages.